Today we are gonna give you the demo on the Acer model AGS 1224-Ahd automatic surface grinder. This machine is in a great condition. The machine has a 12 by 24 inches magnetic chuck on it with an automatic down increment. So overall this machine is in a great condition. So now we're gonna make a small part on the machine to give a demo on it. The spindle has been started. It's a half thou down feed increment right now. Currently the machine is running on a fully automatic mode with a down increment with 1000 down increment. We are making a small part on this grinder for the demo purpose. So that completes our video. And so that's your spindle going up.